LUGANDA XLz week 7 of the excellence, and we still going. How y'all been doing, man? I've been away for a while, but thanks to God I'm back. We're gonna do it like this. Listen up, Mumpama too. This is for you, your sister, brother, or your mama too. I know you're going through some right now. Life is upside down. You're not and this is something you can also see. He's always close to me, froze up on my rosary, supposed to be a false and so give up all that sorcery. I write for Katwe and all of the ghetto communities. I was young to drop out, piss poor, and the money wouldn't stop playing. So put yourself on my shoes. I was trapped in a maze with everything that I was trying to do. To cut the story short, God finally got me through it, and He could do the same to you. How I wish you knew it. Peace out.